on, chicks. Come on, mama chick. Come on, mama chick. Come on, mama hen. There's mama hen and their little baby. He ain't little no more. Just pull it. There they go. They liking their new home. Hello everybody, welcome back to Southern Blessed Homestead. This is Mac, and video here I wanted to thank Aivituvin for the opportunity for this chicken coop. This model here is AIR59 and we love it. We're really enjoying it and the chickens love it. And this model here, it'll probably hold 6 chickens, maybe a couple of more. They cuddle up in there pretty good, but we really like it, and I'll leave a link at the description of this video. Go check them out. They've got all kinds of other houses, other models, cat houses and rabbit hutches, so y'all go check them out, and we really appreciate them and really enjoy the product. Thanks for watching and hope you have a Southern Blessed day.